there! In today's video, I'll show you how to insert microSD card into your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to take this pin, which comes with this device, and then take your phone, and we would need to find this little SIM slot that you can find on the upper part of your phone. Here's how it looks. Then we would need to take this pin and insert it into this little hole that you can see on this slot. So insert it and lightly push on it until the SIM slot will get out like this, as you can see. Now pull it out with the help of your fingers, just like this. So if we will take a look on this little SIM slot, we can see that we got from two sides two texts. This one is SIM2 or microSD, and the second one is SIM1. So we would need to put our microSD card on this side. Take your microSD card and rotate it so these cold connectors will be facing you. And then slowly put the microSD card into this slot until it will do a little click. Here's how it looks, and also make sure that it sits properly and not falling out. Now we would need to take our phone and put this slot on its place, and also make sure that this hole fits with the second one on your phone. So push it in, and this is it. Now you have successfully inserted a microSD card into your Samsung Galaxy A55. Thank you so much for watching.